All right, lesson 9-8. Act it out and using reasoning. Let me get this out of the way. You know how to solve problems when you can visualize or see the situation described in the problem. Today you will learn to use objects to act out a problem when it is not so easy to visualize what is happening in a problem. Right? So the object here is to actually use objects. I know you don't have the counters that we normally use at school, but you can use anything at home. Coins, um, uh, little pieces of paper, toothpicks, whatever small objects will work for you. So here's an example. Logan has collected 14 baseball cards, including cards from the Rangers, the Astros, and the Titans. He has 3 Astro cards. He has 5 fewer Titan cards than Ranger cards. How many of each kind of card is in Logan's collection? Okay, confused? Sure. Let's make sense of this. First question I wanted to ask is, what information is given? So I go back to my problem and I see that Logan has 14 baseball cards. I know that, including cards from the Rangers. So I have Rangers, Astros, Titans. Right? He has 3 Astro cards. So I know that for sure. So I'm going to take 3 of these cards and put them down here. He has 3. Okay. And now he has 5 fewer Titans cards than Rangers cards. The problem is now I don't know how many Titans cards he has, and I don't know how many Rangers cards he has, but I do know that he has 5 fewer Titans than Rangers. So this number, Titans, has to be fewer than Rangers. So I'm just going to make a note of that on here. Help me remember. This is 5 fewer than Rangers. Oh, okay. Okay. So now what I need to do is I need to just simply start guessing. Okay. Come on, move out of my way here. Okay. So I'm going to take the numbers that I have left. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. 11 left. And I'm going to put them into the Titans and the Rangers. I'm just going to take a shot at it. And I know that I have to have 5 fewer Titans than the Rangers. So that number has to be less. So I'm just going to start with, let's say 1, 2. I'm going to put the rest here in the Rangers. 3, 4. And if I line them up nice and neatly, I'll straighten them out a little bit when I get done. If I have my regular smart board, it'd be easy. Okay. I'm asked to find how many of each card is in the collection. Okay, so I'm going to use this top space as my workspace. In this case, if I count the Rangers, I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. So I have 9, and Titans, I have 2. If I have 5 fewer Titans than Rangers, I need to subtract 9 minus 2, and that has to equal 5. Well, 9 minus 2 equals, that doesn't work. 9 minus 2 equals 7. That's too many. That doesn't work. So I'm going to take one at a time, and I'm going to move it over. Come on. I'm going to take one of the Rangers, and I'm going to move it over here. So now my new sentence is, I took one away. That means I have 8 Rangers, and I have 3 Titans. 8 minus 3 equals 5. So now I know how many of each one, but I'm not done. I've only used my counters to figure it out. So how many of each kind of card is in Logan's collection? I now have my answer. I know that I have 3 Astros. I have 3 Titans, and I have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 Rangers. I'm still not quite done. Looks like I'm done, but I want to do one more thing. I want to make sure that everything fits. Right? So I'm going to go back to my clue. Logan has 14 baseball cards. So if I add these up, 3 plus 8, I should get 14. 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 8 equals 14. I'm correct. He has 3 Astro cards. Yep, I have 3 Astro cards. He has 5 fewer Titans than Ranger cards. So if I did like I did over here, 5 fewer Titans than Rangers, 8 minus 3 is 5. So I could also do 5 fewer Titans and Rangers, right? 8 minus 5 equals 3. That would tell me I have 3 Titans cards, right? Or I can just look for the difference of 5. If I have 5 fewer, right? I couldn't do something minus 5 because I didn't know what the Titans was. I didn't know what the Rangers were, so I had to start from somewhere. Okay, you literally have to guess and check to see that your answers fit. Okay, let's go to another example. In this example, Macy has 9 stamps in all. She has 2 nation stamps, 3 more inventor stamps than flower stamps. How many of each stamp does Macy have? So I'm going to use my counters to show my picture. Macy has 9 stamps in all. She has 2 nation stamps. So I'm going to take my 2 stamps and 2 nation stamps. 1, 2. And she has 9 stamps in all. So I'm going to take these down here. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Now, she has 2 nation stamps and 3 more inventor stamps than flower stamps. So I know that the inventor stamps has to be 3 more than the flower stamps. So whatever this is, the flower stamps plus 3 is going to equal the inventor stamps. So let me put that into a number sense. What I'm thinking here. She has 3 more inventor stamps than flower stamps. So if I have my flower stamps and I add 3 to it, it's going to equal what I have my inventor stamps. Just my thinking. So I'm going to start putting these stamps into the spots and figure them out. Okay. I have to have more inventor stamps than flower stamps. So I'm going to start with 1 flower stamp. I'm going to put the rest in to inventor stamps because I know that's more. It's easier to start this way and work my way up than it is to start with randomly generated numbers. Okay, so let me check what I have. So if my flower stamps is 1, oops, and I have 3 more inventor stamps than flower stamps, equals what the inventor stamps are. 1 plus 3. Is it what I have? 1 plus 3 equals 4. Do I have 4 inventor stamps? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nope, that didn't work. So that doesn't work. I'm going to try something else. This time I'm going to take 1 down and I'm going to put it here. Now, some of you may see it right away. Some of you may not. So I'm going to try it out. I should have my flower stamps. This time I have 2 flower stamps. And I'm going to add it to 3. And I should get the inventor stamps that I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I get 2 plus 3 is 5. That's correct. I have 5 inventor stamps. That
works. So my answer, 2 plus 3 equals 5, fits my clues. Now my question is, how many of each stamp does Macy have? Now I know. There we go. Okay, smaller. Nation stamps. 2. Enter. 5. 4. 2. Does that equal 9? 2 plus 5 is 7, plus 2 is 9, correct. Do I have 3 more inventor stamps than flower stamps? Yes, I have 5. 5 is 3 more than 2. So I know my answer. So the key here is to make sure that you're using counters. You're going to have to guess them and you're going to have to try them. We sometimes call these guess and check problems to see if everything fits the clue, but you have to make sure all those are going to fit the problems. Okay, I think that's all I have. Okay, these are some of the problems that you're going to have today in your assignment. So I used fish because I have goldfish in my gallery to use. So use whatever counters that you have to use. You really are going to need to act these out and try them. Always make sure they fit every clue. So when you complete your assignment, go back and double check your answers. Okay. So your assignment is on your your topic wall. You'll be doing page 225 and 226, number 4 through number 13. Um, yep, that should cover them. This is the last lesson in the chapter. We're going to review on Wednesday. I've moved the test to Friday, but Friday will be the day that everybody will be taking the test sometime throughout that day. All right. Work on your assignment. If you have any questions, you can email me, have your parents text me. I will be available to answer, or you can call me. All right. Good luck.